Ready ka na ba mamaya?
Una sa lahat, ang Panginoon na pinagtagpo kayong dalawa. Kagaya ng binasa ni Pastor Samson, that it's not good for man to be alone.
Magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman na lagi kang pakikinggan.
Salamat sa 10 taon and now it will become forever. Ang ating pagsasama at pagmamahalan sa isa't isa ay pangakong sabay nating haharapin at sasalubungin nating magkasama. Because we both knows we have our great God na umaalalay at gumagabay sa atin simula umpisa.
Lansangan na pangdalawahan, kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan.
Salamat sa Diyos. Thank you, Lord. I'm very thankful to God for answering my prayers. At ito na yun.
Aking landas, ginagabay, nag-iisang tiyak, sa 1,000 duda, silong sa iyak, at pagluluksan. Puso ko ay imamapa, ikaw ang dulo, gitna at simula.
I promise to love you for who you are and for who you are yet to become. I promise to be patient, to remember all the things between us are rooted in love. I promise to nurture your dreams and to help you reach them.
Maligaw man at mawala, at umikot man sa kawalan, sa bawat kailan, sino't saan, ikaw lamang na.
Pagbutihin yung pagsasama yung dalawa ni JC, hindi ganun kadaling may asawa. Gayahin mo ako na mapagpasensya.
Anak, salamat din na salamat ako na sinabot mo tong malamay kita.
May patungo, ay pabalik sa'yo.
Maraming salamat kay Papa Lino at kay Nanay Carmen sa pagpapalaki sa'yo. To Mama Concepcion, I know how much her mom means to you and how deeply you wish she could be here with us on this special day. Though she may not be here physically, I believe with all my heart that she is watching you over with pride and love.
Bihag ako ng pagtataka, may saysay ba ang paglalakbay, ngunit nahanapin.
Fredelyn, ang Catherine Bernardo, yeah! Ang manyaki sa aming mga tropa. Si Wenjel Perong. National Mango. Thank you, Shopee!
Saan ikaw lamang ang kasagutan, bawat kanan at kaliwa.
I promise to share full heart with you and to remember to show you how deeply I care for you. No matter the challenges that may come our way, I promise to love you loyally as long as I show you.
Walang ma-advise sa'yo. Basta ang problema, kailangan pag-uusapan.
Thank you,
Para
Pa.
walang ano.
Thank you, Pa.
Magkasama kayong mabuti, huwag kayong mag-aaway, huwag kayong magkasundo.
Thank you, Nay.
Huwag kayong pag-aaway na magsira.
My love, today is not just about making promises. It is about choosing you every single day for the rest of my life. No matter where life takes us, you will be my one and only. I thank you for this incredible 9 years and 9 months, and I look forward to the many more years we'll share. I love you now, and I will love you always for the rest of my days. I love you so, so, so much, and nothing else. Love you.